Hello everyone, today we are making Aloo Matar Sabzi or green pea potato curry. Firstly, into a hot skillet goes 2 big sized chopped tomato, 1 big chopped onion and 1 inch chopped ginger, 2 to 3 garlic cloves, 3 cloves, 1 inch cinnamon, 2 cardamom, half a tablespoon fennel seed, 2 to 3 green chilies, a quarter cup of mint leaves, a quarter cup of coriander leaves along with a spoon of ghee or oil. Fry them till they become soft by adding 100 ml of water. Cook them until they turn to soft and aromatic. Once cooking is done, let them cool down and transfer to a blender jar and blend to a fine paste. Remove the extra chunks of spices like cinnamon and cloves and blend to a fine paste by adding extra 50 ml of water. If you want a smooth textured paste, strain this puree for extra smoothness, which is purely an optional. Then take 3 potatoes, chop them into a small cubes and set aside. And take 1 cup of cooked peas, either frozen or if you are using the fresh one, just boil them before using into the cooking process. And add the cubed potatoes into the hot skillet with a 2 tablespoon of oil. Fry the potatoes to slightly golden brown and set aside. If you are using the frozen green peas, just give a nice stir for 2 minutes on the same skillet and set aside. If you are using the fresh green peas, just cook them for 5 minutes and give a stir on oil for 2 minutes and set aside. Prepare the simple spice mix into a bowl. Add 4 tablespoons or a cup of whisked yogurt. Into this goes a tablespoon of chili powder, a tablespoon of coriander powder, half a tablespoon salt, half a tablespoon turmeric, quarter tablespoon fried cumin powder, a quarter tablespoon of garam masala, and half a tablespoon salt for taste. Give a nice whisk and set aside. For the people who don't like adding the yogurt to the curry, just mix the same spices in the skillet while we are cooking without adding the yogurt. Now into the hot skillet goes a tablespoon of oil, a tablespoon of cumin seed, let it splatter, and a quarter finely chopped onion, which is an optional. Then goes half a tablespoon ginger garlic paste. And if you think you are okay with the pureed flavor where we added ginger and garlic pieces, then skip this ginger garlic paste step and add the masala spice powders, a tablespoon of chili powder. My friends, please add less as per your spice ability. You can add an extra if you want at the last. And a tablespoon of coriander powder, a quarter tablespoon of salt, a quarter tablespoon of fried cumin powder, a quarter tablespoon garam masala, and give a nice stir. Then goes the whisked yogurt with the spices. Give a fast stir to avoid the curdling and keep stirring for about 1 to 2 minutes. Then goes the pureed paste and give a nice stir for 3 to 5 minutes. If you want a sour flavor, just add half a tablespoon of amchur powder to this paste and mix well. Then goes the fried potato and the fried green peas. Give a nice stir, add an extra 50 ml of water and cook for about 10 minutes only on low to medium flame, keeping the lid closed. After 10 minutes, you can recognize the oil is separated on the surface and the vegetables are cooked to soft. Then garnish with a handful of coriander leaves and a tablespoon of kasuri methi. Serve into your serving bowl. Serve with roti or chapati or even with a bread. Please try to make this recipe at home and leave a comment how it turned out. Please do like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for your time. Happy cooking. Namaste.